Okay, so we're testing the series n plus 1 over negative 2 to the n minus 1 for convergence or divergence. Because of the negative and the 2 raised to the n minus 1 power, we're going to use the alternating series test. That's the best fit for this. So first we choose a b to the n. Our b to the n in this case would be n plus 1 over into the 2 minus 1. And the first step then is we need to determine the limit and make sure that the limit actually goes to 0 for this test to work. So we take the limit as n approaches infinity of our b to the n. We get infinity over infinity. So at this point we apply L'Hopital's rule. We're going to take the limit of the derivative of n plus 1 over the derivative of n to the 2 minus 1. That gives us 1 over 2 to the n minus 1 natural log of 2. This obviously grows very, very quickly. 1 is a constant, so as we approach n approaches infinity, we go to 0. So in fact, part A checks out. So we need to move to part 2, and part 2 is to determine whether or not our b to the n plus 1 is actually less than our b to the n. So what we do there is we take b to the n plus 1. In our case, our b to the n was n plus 1. So our n plus 1 is n plus 2 over, and our 2n to the minus 1 becomes 2n. And we need to test, is that less than n plus 1 over 2 to the n minus 1? So we're going to look at the denominators here. And basically, what we want to test is 2 to the n larger than 2 to the n minus 1? In fact, it is larger, so therefore we have convergence by the alternating series test.